How to use truncation. When you want to capture all variations of a word, such as plurals and other word endings, add an asterisk to the word stem. You will find the asterisk on the number 8 of your keyboard. This is an advanced search technique called truncation. Like alternative terms, applying truncation to keywords will increase the number of results you retrieve and will make sure that you don't miss out on any relevant articles. For example, a search for wounds in Sinau retrieves nearly 122,000 results, while searching for wound asterisk retrieves nearly 123,000 results. Now let's return to our honey and wounds or honey and injuries search example. Without truncation, I retrieve 771 results. Let's see what happens when I run a search with truncation. Notice that you retrieve more results. Now let's combine the truncated search with honey. You can now see that we retrieve 774 results instead of 771. Alternatively, you can edit your current search by clicking on the edit link to the right of your search line, amend your keyword search terms, and click on Save. Let's edit search line 2 and change wounds to wound asterisk and injuries to injure asterisk. EBSCO updates my search with a greater number of results for search line 2, search line 4 and search line 5, and I now retrieve 771 results. You can use truncation in most databases and search engines, so it's a handy tool to know about. More options for refining your results can be found in further videos in this series. Thank you for watching.